Bible study. Come on, Sarah. We don't come. Come on, Sarah. Radio. Radio. It's gonna be big in the future.
In the future.
So irritating. It's so irritating. No. Hure. Can you come here? It's better there.
Right there. You and your brother.
Come here. Deuces. What do you mean deuces? It's not even done yet.
Look what he's doing.
Who's prettier? Me.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're prettier. Not I guapo. Who has longer hair? Can you turn around and then like show it? Come on. No, like turn around fully. Oh my god. Come on.
Wait, how do you know?
Get away, dude. You don't.
Wait,
Wait, stand up.
Nay? Look at the back. Well, you're taller, so.
Nay.
So
Okay, just go. Turn around. Okay, part 1.
Why is that?
Part 1. Okay. Part 1. Turn around. Part 1. Okay, my turn.